Welcome. Here's a quick tutorial on how to prepare night shots to make a 4K movie of the moving stars. I used a free app called PhotoScape. For more details, see the description below. How did I prepare the photos to create the 4K movie? First, select the folder with the photos. The photos will appear here, so you can see them. The next step is to edit the photos. To do this, select the photo editor. Select the photo. As you can see, this is not the intended result. We have to make some adjustments. Let's select the tool, Color. First, let's increase the contrast. Seems to be getting better. Next, we're going to increase the dark highlights. Continue to adjust until you get the desired result. Now it looks more like the starry sky. Let's deepen the color a little more. I believe this fog in the middle of photography is because of the lens. Finally, let's darken it a little more. Is perfect. What do you think? Now, apply the changes. The next step is to apply the changes to all photos. Use the batch editor. Now select all photos and move them for batch processing. As you can see, it will apply the changes that were made in the photo editor. It will make these changes to all selected photos. You can check the settings for changes and make some adjustments if necessary. To finish this operation, let's save all the photos with all the adjustments made. Choose a new folder, and save them. All photos will be processed, and the changes we set will be applied. That's it. This must be the result. In the next video, we'll see how to convert all these photos into a 4K movie. Thanks for watching.